Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back today with a new layout for the Hip Kit Club design team featuring the May 2022 kits. My mission this week was to create a rainbow effect, so I based myself on these decked tags from the Pocket Life kit for the colors of my rainbow. To start, I will realize the rainbow background. I use watercolor paper, but you can use cardstock coated with clear gesso. To bring a little texture and add pattern, I use EcoPark Easter Blooms background clear stump included in the color kit and randomly embossed ink to make a floral background. And I add white embossed powder and heat to melt the powder. I repeat the operation until I get the background I want. When everything is ready, I add the inks. I use the inks included in the color kit. These are ink pads from Catherine Puller Design, Tiki Torch, and It's a Girl. And I added the color limoncello from a previous kit that I completed with Chimmer's ink. So I start with a pink It's a Girl ink and apply the ink with a wide hard hair brush to have a brushstroke effect. I add the Sweetheart Chimmer's ink to make a gradient of pink. Then I apply the Chimmer's magenta ink and with a wet brush I melt the different colors between it. I continue with the yellow. I apply the color Sunny by Chimmers and then I add the limoncello ink and Tiki Torch to create a gradient. I add dandelion Chimmers ink to intensify the orange color and always with a wet brush I blur the boundary between the colors. When my rainbow suits me, I dry everything well and add ink splashes in tone and tones. I sewed the outline of the tags to bring texture before placing them on my page. I then add the photos on the tags after adding pieces of cardboard underneath to bring dimension to my layouts. I selected several small decorations respecting the colors of my rainbow. So I added the die-cut flowers from embellishment kit below the middle photo. Then everywhere, as well as ID swap stickers from embellishment kit too. And I add more flowers here and there. I also add leaves, puffy hearts stickers by Jen Hatfield from the Pocket Life kit for finish this decoration. To finish this layout, I add splashes of white gesso diluted with water to harmonize everything. And I add splashes of black paint diluted with water to bring contrast and because I love it. Here is the result a little closer. I hope this layout has inspired you in some way today. I love making it and creating this rainbow for a colorful and flowery page that I like very much. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I wish you a great creative day. See you soon.